Mayeni and Makhumalo, they will end up accept Makwela. Mangwabe is a difficult person. She doesn't forgive very easily or to accept another woman very easily. Mangwabe, she saw Musamseleku with Makwela in Muzumbe in the car. They are not in compound, they are in the road. So Musamseleku was in his car, Mangwabe was on her car. But Mangwabe, she saw Makwela with a baby. Makwela was sitting at the back. Mangwabe, she got angry and wrote a message to Musamseleku. She was insulting Musamseleku. Imagine, Mangwabe, she is the wife number 4. Why Macele, she can't be accept Mangwabe, she got upset. Musamseleku was the one who is keeping begging Mangwabe. If Musamseleku stop begging Mangwabe, or Mangwabe can threatening him to divorce him, we want to see that Mangwabe, she is going to divorce him or what. When Musamseleku stop begging Mangwabe, he can bring Makwela the way he did to her. Musamseleku was forcing Macele that Macele have to accept Makhumalo and Mangwabe. Why Mangwabe, she can't accept Makwela the way she was being accepted by other wives? I think that maybe Mangwabe, she is too special. We don't know other people. They like, she is selfish. We don't understand. I don't hate Mangwabe. But the way she is doing, Mangwabe is beautiful on the face, but when it comes in her heart, Mangwabe, she is not a very easy person to forgive a person like that. She is not easy like Mayeni and Makhumalo. The problem with Makhumalo, why Makhumalo now she stopped accepting Makwela? Yes, they are coming from the same place. The problem is Musamseleku. Musamseleku have to know his wives. When he is continuing begging Mangwabe, she is not accepting Makwela. And Musamseleku, when is keeping to being rough to Makhumalo, doesn't respect Makhumalo. Makhumalo, she can't accept Makwela. You have to know that Musamseleku have to continue to being in good relationship with Makhumalo. If Musamseleku want Makhumalo to accept Makwela, Musamseleku was supposed to contribute on Makhumalo's house, to be a man, to support Makhumalo, to, even he doesn't have much money, why he took a loan to buy houses for Mangwabe, Mayeni, because he doesn't want them to leave him. Why he can't do the same thing to Makhumalo? Musamseleku was supposed to contribute, to give Makhumalo small money and say, Makhumalo, you have to buy a cement. You understand? To support Makhumalo on Mpilo, that Mpilo have to have a ceremony, than to say we are not getting along. We are not getting along, so we can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. What? Musamseleku want to fight. If Makhumalo she fight, he want to fight back. I think it doesn't work when it comes to Makhumalo. If Makhumalo is an easy person that when he sit down and talk to Makhumalo, or sometimes there is no need to talk to, have action. Because Makhumalo now, she is showing negative things to Musamseleku. She know that Musamseleku doesn't love her. Makhumalo is in 38 years, 37 years. She knows the man who loves her, the man who doesn't love her. The man who doesn't love her doesn't do anything to her, doesn't spend his money on her. So Musamseleku have to stop, or sometimes he can do something for Makhumalo because he want to do for his wives. Maybe they are on hotel, what. But Musamseleku have to do something special to Makhumalo. He will show that Makhumalo will end up accepting Makwela, or to forgive him that he married Makwela, but they are coming from the same place. Makhumalo is not an easy person, but when he is continuing saying bad words to Makhumalo every time, I got something who can have kids to me. You understand? How Makhumalo accept Makwela? He is keeping telling her that I got someone who can have kids for me. You understand? It doesn't make any sense. Musamseleku have to saying some of the words to Makhumalo, bad words to Makhumalo. When it comes to Mayeni, Mayeni, she can, like, she is tough like that, but not like that. Mayeni will end up accepting Makwela. but Msamseleku and Mayeni, their relationship is okay.